Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to enable notifications on the CoookieRun OvenBreak application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you our YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and you can find different buttons. Go to the settings icon at the upper right corner of the screen, and in the left side of the screen go to the third button, the notifications, under the game. And first of all, just turn the apps notification on the device. Click to the two settings and enabled, and you can still receive notifications, and you can find rewards about that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.